Each Amish furniture product is unique, but your furniture's build process may look something like this. After your order is placed, it's sent to an Amish woodworking shop in Ohio, Indiana, or Pennsylvania. Here, it is built by hand to your specifications with premium construction techniques and authentic materials. Some pieces are finished at the same shop where they were built, while others are sent together to an Amish finishing shop. Our furniture is finished using time-honored techniques, including wood distressing, sanding, and hand-rubbed staining. Then a top coat of catalyzed conversion varnish is applied. After the finish has dried, the furniture is taken by our delivery drivers, who will contact you to set up delivery to your home or business. We understand your Amish furniture is a significant investment and you are eager to receive it. While this process is lengthy, it is necessary to provide you with the heirloom-quality, custom-built furniture you expect from DutchCrafters. We're confident that when it arrives, you are going to love your custom furniture.